A lot of people think they're failing because they're lazy. But honestly, most beginners are not lazy. They're overwhelmed. And when I first started trying to learn AI and digital products, that's exactly how I felt too. Every video sounded complicated. Every tutorial moved too fast. And it honestly felt like everyone else understood something I didn't. I kept opening new tabs, watching new videos, downloading new tools, trying new systems. And after hours of learning, I somehow felt more confused than when I started. Maybe you felt that too. You want to build something online. You want extra income. You want freedom. But instead of clarity, you feel buried under information. And after a while, you start wondering if maybe you're just not good at this. That's the emotional part nobody talks about. What finally changed for me, I was realizing I was learning the wrong way. I thought I needed advanced tools, complicated systems, expert-level knowledge. But beginners do not need complexity first. They need simplicity first. That was the breakthrough. Instead of trying to learn everything, I started focusing on one small thing at a time. One AI tool, one simple Canva design, one simple digital product idea, and suddenly, everything started feeling lighter. This is where I think most beginners get stuck. They try to build an entire online business in one weekend. But the people who actually succeed usually do something very different. They simplify. For example, instead of trying to master 10 AI tools, start with one. Learn how it helps you write faster, organize ideas, simplify work, create content, reduce overwhelm. That's it. The same thing applies to digital products. Most beginners think they need complicated websites, expensive software, huge audiences. You really don't. Some of the best beginner digital products are simple guides, checklists, templates, mini ebooks, beginner resources. Simple often wins because simple gets finished. And honestly, I think that's the real transformation. Not just making money online, not just learning AI, but finally feeling capable again. Finally feeling like technology is helping you instead of intimidating you. That emotional shift matters because once people stop feeling overwhelmed, they finally start taking action, and action changes everything. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed lately, you are not behind, you are not failing, and you are definitely not too late. You probably just need simpler guidance, calmer learning, smaller steps, less pressure. That's what finally helped me. And honestly, that's why I make these videos now. To help beginners realize this does not have to feel impossible anymore. If this helped you feel a little less overwhelmed today, subscribe and stick around. Because I'm going to keep making beginner-friendly videos that make AI and digital products feel simpler, calmer, and actually possible. And when you're ready for a simple step-by-step beginner-friendly course, I would love to teach you how to make your first course online and launch it.